And I'm back with another video. This is going to be on another pin curl ponytail, but the difference between this one and the other ones is that this client slash my friend, she has alopecia in the back and hers a little thin on the side. So I put out a reel, little short reel showing me doing the style or the process of me doing it. And I didn't, people was complimenting the back because I did some kind of swoop thing in the back, but I did it for a purpose. And as you can see, y'all saw why I did it the way I did it. I had to hide it, so it's kind of like camouflaging her thin spots in the back and on the side. So of course, usually I would just like go straight up with the ponytail, but like right now I'm just trying to figure out how am I going to put her hair up in this ponytail. So what I decided to do was split that back in half and swoop it up somehow. So now I'm just really putting the ponytail up and setting it to where I want the ponytail to sit up. So she wanted it to sit at the top, so I'm gonna start off with the top. So like I showed y'all in the beginning, the back was thin and then her edges in the front was thin. So I decided to swoop the back over to the left to where the thinner hair side was at. So yeah, I figured since it's thinner over there, most of the hair might as well go that way instead of to the right. And I'm using an even spray because it just dries quicker for me. So, and I needed it to dry faster, because I'm not going to even do the left side yet. I'm going to do the right side in the front and swoop that over that part. But you'll see as I go. So with her side, this side right here, I decided to do this one before I did the other side. So somehow I had to decide, like, I can't swoop it up into the ponytail, not all of it. I needed to cover that part in the back. So what I'm going to do is swoop half of it up toward the ponytail and then swoop the other on top of the part in the back. So this is where I'm covering the part that divided the top from the very back. And I'm using a firm hold, not a strong hold, just in case I messed up. I needed to use something that'll give me room to correct an issue if I cause for. So, yep. So now that I got the back out the way, I'm swooping up the hair that goes to the ponytail and getting that together. So I didn't really get a good angle, and I apologize, but that side in the front is her thinner side. So I did leave out some hair so I can do her some edges. And I was kind of nervous, but I ended up liking how it looked. Kind of reminded me of a frontal a little bit. And if you see my other videos for this same style, y'all already know the routine. Y'all know I wrap the strips around the ponytail to protect her hair from the glue, and add the hair, curl it, pin it. Same old, same old. So I told her to bring in 14 inches. She brought in Milky Way Pure. I don't really care for this hair, but it'll do for the style that she got. And what I didn't show on video was that I did add a couple of tracks to her bang, because I just figured if I added the weave, it'll make her bang last longer, because she had a photo shoot later on that day. And yeah, the 14 inches, I think her hair is like 14 to 15 inches. It was pretty long. So yeah, sorry my phone went off. But yeah, but it worked out for what she got. So when I do edges, I do not use edge control anymore, because to me it just doesn't last, and I haven't came across an edge control that lasts. So I use beeswax, and I'll top it off with like a got-to-be spray or that even lace spray, and it always seems to last. Well, it lasts on me. I don't know about other people, but I haven't had any complaints about it. So I guess it's pretty good. Okay, look at them edges, y'all. So I ended up having to swoop her hair down on the side, but it was separation from her edges and her hair, her regular hair. But I think I made it work, and I think it kind of gives like frontal vibes, I guess. I don't know, to me it do. But now I am about to curl the hair so I can pin curl it up or pin it up or whatever y'all call it. But I call it pin curl because it's throwback. So curl it so I can pin curl it and pin it down. And no, I did not put edges on the other side because why? Can y'all guess why? Because that bang is gonna cover that side anyway. So that's why I didn't do that. Y'all gonna see though. But yeah, don't be trying to argue with me in my comments about it. Cause I ain't have to put no baby hair on the side. So I ain't put no baby hair on the side. She wanted some little curls hanging, so I just left some little curls hanging throughout some pictures she showed me. Yeah, I don't know. She got it off Instagram or something. But yeah. So I like it like that though. With them little pieces hanging. I don't know how long it lasts. I don't know if it lasts till I think it lasted. But yeah. I'm just talking through this whole video, y'all. This is rare for me. But anyway, back on subject. So I'm pinning it, and usually when I pin my pin curls down, I use a bobby pin, which is the closed pins. So you got sometimes I use hair pins, sometimes I use bobby pins. So the hair pins, if people didn't know, hair pins are the open pins, bobby pins are the closed pins, and I use the bobby pins most of the time because I don't want them. I don't know. To me, the hair pins ain't sturdy enough to hold the pin curl down. So yeah, I use bobby pins most of the time. So as y'all can see, no, baby hair was not needed on that side, like I said, because you can't even see it. Her bang is actually hitting her ear, or ear. I say ear right, ear. So, and that is the finished product. That bag do look good though, y'all. I do like that bag. Thanks for viewing. Bye.